Hello students, welcome back to your YouTube channel Mathematics for Everyone. In this video, we shall take important questions relating to solutions of simultaneous linear equations. First question, if matrix A is equal to 2, 2 minus 4, minus 4, 2, minus 4, 2 minus 1, 5, matrix B is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, then 0, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, then 0, 1, 2. Find product BA and use this to solve system of linear equations system of linear equations 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 17. Then x minus y is equal to 3, y plus 2z is equal to 7. Solution, we have A is equal to 2, 2 minus 4, minus 4, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1, 5. Matrix B is 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2. Then BA is equal to 1 minus 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 2 into A is 2, 2 minus 4, minus 4, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1, 5 is equal to first row with first column 2 plus 4 plus 0, then first row with second column 2 minus 2 plus 0, first row with third column minus 4 plus 4 plus 0, then second row with first column 4 minus 6, 4 minus 12, minus 12, then plus 8. Then second row with second column 4 plus 6 minus 4. Then second row with third column minus 8 minus 12 plus 20. Then third row with first column 0 minus 8, 0 minus 4 plus 4. Then second row with second column 0 plus 2 minus 2. Then third row with third column 0 minus 4 plus 10 is equal to 6 0 0 0 6 0 0 0 6, which is equal to 6 common 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 is equal to 6i. Therefore, BA is equal to 6i. A is equal to 6 B inverse. B inverse is equal to 1 over 6 A. Now we have 2x plus 3y, 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 17. X minus y is equal to 3 and y plus 2z is equal to 7. Now we can see that in the matrix B, second row is 2, 3, 4. Coefficients of this first equation 2, 3, 4, and the first row is coefficients of second equation 1 minus 1 0, and the third row is coefficients of third equation 1 0 1 2. So we shall write this in the same sequence in the matrix B. First row is 1 minus 1 0. So first of all we shall write this x minus y is equal to 3. Second is 2 3 4 second row. So we shall write this with the coefficient 2 3 4. 2x plus 3y plus 4 that is equal to 0 17. And the third, as we can see from B, is 0 1 2. So this is y plus 2z is equal to 7. So this can be written as, which we can write it in matrix form as 1 minus 1 0, 2 3 4. These are coefficients of 1 minus 1 first equation, then second equation coefficients 2 3 4, third equation coefficients 0 1 2 into variable column matrix xyz is equal to constant matrix 3 17 7, where B is this 1 minus 1 0, 2 3 4 0 1 2, and x is xyz, and C is constant matrix 3 17 7. So this, which is of the form Bx is equal to C. So x is equal to B inverse C. This is number 1, where B is 1 minus 1 0, 2 3 4 0 1 2 0 1 2. X is equal to x y z, and C is 3 17 7. So which can be written as bx is equal to c. So x is equal to b inverse c. This is number 1. Now b inverse is equal to 1 over 6 a. 1 over 6 a is 2 minus 4 minus 4 2 minus 4 2 minus 1 5. From 1 x is equal to b inverse c, we put values. It's x, y, z. B inverse is 1 over 6, 2 minus 4, then minus 4, 2 minus 4, 2 minus 1, 5, into 3, 17, 7, which is equal to 1 over 6 into 1 over 6 into, we multiply first row with this column, we shall get 6 plus 34 minus 28, then minus 12 plus 34 minus 28, then third row with this is 6 minus 17 plus 35. So we have 1 over 6 into 12 minus 6, 24, which will give you 2 minus 1, 4. Therefore, x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 4. This is the answer. That's all. In the next video, we shall take more questions relating to this. So please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel Mathematics for Everyone to see more important videos. Thank you. See you in the next video.